Hello. Hello. Am I audible to all of you? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So very good afternoon to all of you. I think my voice is audible and my computer screen is also visible to all of you. So today we will learn about a common circuit, that is hostel wiring circuit. How to design a hostel wiring circuit. Okay. So what is the hostel wiring circuit? As you can see in the screen, it is the circuit diagram of the hostel wiring. Okay. So hostel wiring circuit is especially designed and used for study hours by headmaster and warden to convey the students. Okay. And there it is basically designed to operate this circuit from a single room like warden room uh, or headmaster room. Okay. So that can one room or particular one room can handle the whole power supply of the total building. Okay. And you can say that in the hostel wiring there is there is a SPST. Okay. This is called the single pole single throw one way or single way switch. इसमें यूज किया जाता है. We are using it. Okay. And the room lights also controlled through the SPDT. Total all lights are controlled by the SPDT, that is the single pole double throw or two-way switches. Okay. So the main control is from the master switch, that is in the warden room, but in the separate room control. But the separate room, the main control is from the master warden room, control from the warden room. That is here, the main control is from the warden room. From here, in the circuit, you can clearly see the main control. The main control is here. You can see, I am also circling the switch. The main control is from the here. The whole circuit is representing a hostel wiring circuit. Okay. So the main control is lying in this switch. Okay. And this switch is belongs to the warden room. Okay. And there is a SPST single pole single throw one way or single way switch, that is the SPST. Okay, you can clearly see that is the SPST. What is the meaning of SPST? That is the single pole single throw. Okay, single pole single throw, इसको भी बोल सकते और इसको either we can say it one way or either we can say it single way switch. Okay, that is the SPST switch installed in the master switch in the warden room. Okay, that master switch in the lying the warden room. Okay. and the room light is also controlled through SPDT, and every single individual room is controlled by the SPDT, and that is SPDT1. You can clearly see mention SPDT1, SPDT2, SPDT3. मतलब हर एक रूम का जो कंट्रोल होगा वो हम लोग SPDT ये स्विच से करेंगे. हर एक रूम का कंट्रोल, ओवरऑल कंट्रोल तो मेरे पास SPST में है. ठीक है, सिंगल पोल सिंगल थ्रो स्विच में. मगर जो हर एक रूम का जो कंट्रोल है, एवरी इंडिविजुअल रूम इज कंट्रोल्ड बाय द individual SPDT switches, that is SPDT1, SPDT2 and also SPDT3. You can clearly see in this picture. Okay, what is the meaning of SPDT? SPDT is nothing but a single pole double throw switch, or usually we can say it is the two-way switch. Okay, and SPST single pole single throw, that is the one-way switch, and SPDT that is single pole double throw switches. Okay, and you can say that all these switches and light bulb in the room are configured in such a arrangement where the light room can be controlled dependently. Okay, light room can be controlled dependently through SPDT. Every individual room, that is light room, or every individual room light room or every individual room can control by the through the SPDT switches. Okay, So independently through the master switches, and independently ये master switch के through it is can control overall. Okay. तो बेसिकली इसके एग्जाम्पल क्या है? इसका एक एग्जाम्पल यही है कि मान लो रात को मेरा इवनिंग टाइम में मेरा स्टडी आवर है। हर 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 स्टूडेंट हॉस्टल जाता है और इवनिंग में 7 PM टू मान लो 10 PM तक हर बच्चा हर स्टूडेंट रूम में जाके पढ़ता है। ओके, in the between 7 PM and 10 PM every student will go to the room, his room, and study. That is basically the study hour. तो इस टाइम में क्या होगा? इस टाइम में जो वार्डन रहेगा और स्पेसिफिक स्विच जिस रूम में रहेगा, वन वे स्विच, तो इसमें वार्डन क्या करेगा? वार्डन इस उस पर्टिकुलर स्टडी आवर में स्विच को ऑन कर देगा। ठीक है, तो हर रूम में एवरी रूम में पावर सप्लाई होगा। मगर जब मान लो किसी स्टूडेंट अगर इंडिविजुअल रूम में अगर मान लो उसको पढ़ना नहीं है, उसको बाहर जाना है, तो क्या करेगा? वार्डन तो ऑन कर देगा, वार्डन ऑन कर देगा थ्रू द स्विच। तो क्या होगा? पूरा हॉस्टल में पावर सप्लाई चला जाएगा। मगर मान लो कोई स्टूडेंट अभी उसको 8 बजे थोड़ा मार्केट जाना है, 8 PM उसको मार्केट जाना है, तो वो क्या करेगा? ही इज यूजिंग द एसपीडीटी स्विच फॉर हिज रूम पावर सप्लाई एंड ऑफ द एसपीडीटी स्विच। वो उसका रूम का एसपीडीटी स्विच को ऑफ करेगा और उधर पे चला जाएगा। मगर उसके लिए एक स्टूडेंट अगर कोई एक रूम को बंद करेगा, एक स्टूडेंट अगर मान लो कोई एक रूम का पावर सप्लाई को कट करता है थ्रू हिज एसपीडीटी स्विच, तो अदर रूम में जो पावर सप्लाई जा रहा है इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा। ओके, तो अदर रूम पावर सप्लाई आर totally did not interrupt. Okay, so basically इस सर्किट को डिजाइन करने के लिए हम लोग के पास क्या क्या चीज चाहिए? हेलो हेलो हेलो, am I audible to all of you? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is the hello. That is the purpose of this circuit. Okay, we know the purpose of this hostel wiring circuit. Now we know about the what is requirement for make this circuit. Okay, what equipment we need for making this circuit. Okay, so we till now we know the fundamental of the theory of this circuit, hostel wiring circuit. Why we need this kind of circuit in the hostels? So that can one room or in the warden room, warden can control the whole building power supply through the master switch. That is our purpose of the hostel wiring circuit. Okay, I think the purpose is clear. Now come to the point that what we will require for design particular hostel wiring circuit. Okay, हम लोग को क्या क्या equipment चाहिए? What equipment is required for designing this circuit? For designing this circuit, we need what we need. You can tell me what we need. What you can see in the circuit. I basically need one SPST switch. I need one SPST switch, and that is single pole, single throw. That is a one-way switch. That is the normal switch, which we are all used in our home. Okay. From this circuit, अगर मेरे पास हॉस्टल में 3 रूम के लिए मुझे हॉस्टल वायरिंग सर्किट का डिजाइन करना है, तो फॉर दैट पर्पस व्हाट वी विल नीड फॉर particular that requirement, fulfill that requirement for a hostel wiring circuit for only for 3 room. अगर 3 रूम का हम लोग hostel wiring circuit को डिजाइन करने चाहते हैं, तो उसके लिए हम लोगों को एक SPST स्विच चाहिए. Someone mic is on. Please turn off the mic.
सर स्क्रीन से शो नहीं कर रहा सर.
वो स्क्रीन शो नहीं कर रहा. ओके, थैंक यू. Is the screen is visible now? Hello.
Yes sir.
Okay. So what I am telling that we already know the purpose of the hostel wiring circuit. Why we are using hostel wiring circuit? We are using hostel wiring circuit because in the hostel the warden or any one person can control the whole building power supply from a single room. Okay, that is the purpose of hostel wiring circuit. एक रूम से मेरा पूरा पावर सप्लाई हम उसको रेगुलेट कर सकते हैं, उसको कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. That's why we are design this kind of hostel wiring circuit. Now come to the what we will require to design this kind of circuit. मान लो मेरे पास एक हॉस्टल है, हॉस्टल में 3 ही रूम है. Just there are 3 rooms in the hostel. Let there be a hostel and only 3 rooms are there. Okay. So for 3 room hostel wiring circuit, if I want to design the hostel wiring circuit for 3 room hostel, 3 room building, so how can we design the circuit? So first we need one SPST switch, that is single pole. ठीक है, SPST switch चाहिए मुझे, and single pole single throw switch. One, that SPST switch is physically one-way switch that all we are using in our home. Okay, and also we are needed 3 SPDT switch, and that is single pole double throw switch. One, that is the one SPDT switch, that is the second SPDT switch, and that is the third SPDT switch. So total 4 switch we are needed, required. One is one-way switch and 3 two-way switch, and we will require 3 holder here. We will require 3 holder because we are designing this circuit for 3 room, only 3 room. So 3 holder are required and 3 light bulb are required. Okay, lamp 1, lamp 2, and lamp 3. Okay, 4 switch, 1 SPST, 3 SPDT, and 3 holder are needed, and also 3 bulb are needed. Okay, that is the our, and wire is needed. Okay, now how can we design this circuit? So basically designing for this circuit, you can see in the 2 SPDT switch there are 3 terminals are there. In SPDT switch there are 3 terminals are there. You can clearly see that is the 1 terminal, that is the 1 terminal, that is 2 terminal, and that is terminal number 3. So you can clearly see that the first terminal of the every SPDT switch are connected. You can clearly see first terminal of the every SPDT switch, first terminal of the every SPDT switch, that is the first terminal, that is the second terminal, first terminal of the second SPDT switch, and that is the first terminal of the third SPDT switch, that both terminals are connected. You can clearly see in the red line, indicating the red line, they are both are connected, and this line is also connected through the SPST switch, one-way switch. So first terminal of the every switch, what we can do, first we can connect the first terminal of the every switch. here you can clearly see we can connect the every switches, first terminal of the every switches, and that is the phase supply. इसमें हम लोग क्या देंगे, we will use as a phase supply. phase supply को हम लोग इसे connect करेंगे. Okay, now what we can do, we can also connect the third terminal of the every SPDT switch. We can also connect the every third terminal of the every SPDT switch. That is one, and that is the third terminal of the third SPDT switch, and we also connect this line. Okay, and what we can do, we use as a phase supply. Okay, and we use as a phase supply, and इसको हम लोग also we are connecting this line to the second terminal of the one-way switch, and this terminal is we are using as a phase supply. इसको हम लोग phase supply देंगे. Okay, now that is the first part. In the second part, what we can do, we can just, there are second terminal of the every two-way switch are left. If you can clearly see the second terminal, that is second terminal of the every SPDT two-way switch are left, and we can connecting this second terminal of the every SPDT switch through a holder. ठीक है, इधर पर हम लोग का क्या है, होल्डर है. there is a holder here, होल्डर में हम लोग कनेक्ट करेंगे. ओके, we are connecting every second terminal of the every SPDT switch, connecting through the holder जो बल्ब का होल्डर होता है उसमें हम कनेक्ट करेंगे. अभी स्विच का कनेक्शन कंप्लीट हो गया. इफ यू कैन क्लियरली सी द कनेक्शन ऑफ द स्विचेस आर completed, but every holder में क्या होता है, every holder have two terminal. तो one terminal में हम लोग मान लो होल्डर का सेकंड टर्मिनल में हम लोग कनेक्शन कर दिए. होल्डर में इसका होल्डर का दो टर्मिनल है. ठीक है, दो टर्मिनल इज देयर. होल्डर का सेकंड टर्मिनल में हम लोग कनेक्शन कर दिए हैं. ओके, बट देयर आर one terminal is left, and we are connecting neutral line every first terminal of the holder. If you can clearly see, I just connected neutral terminal to the every first terminal of holder, bulb holder, and connecting each other. Okay, and this line is connect to the neutral. One is phase, that is phase, and that is neutral. Okay, I think it is clear. Now the circuit is completed. Okay, so now if I can on the switch, on the SPST switch, one-way switch, then all the bulb are glowing. If I can now if I can switch on the SPST switch, that is one way single pole single throw switch, then इस स्विच को अगर ऑन करेंगे तो क्या होगा इसमें, तो the total hostel, the every 3 room, हर रूम में पावर सप्लाई होगा. We are supplying, if we can on the SPST switch, then we are supplying power to the every room in the hostel, room number 1, 2 and 3. बट मान लो कोई रूम में मैं क्या करूंगा, मैं अगर वार्डन हुआ तो मैं स्टडी आवर में जो सब लोग जिस टाइम में पढ़ते हैं उस टाइम में इसको ऑन कर दूंगा. ठीक है, तो क्या होगा, मान लो इंडिविजुअल रूम में जो स्टडी आवर में पावर सप्लाई आ जाएगा. ठीक है, और उसमें पावर सप्लाई रहेगा. मगर मान लो किसी स्टूडेंट को घर जाना है या मार्केट जाना है, तो he can also using the SPDT switch to off the individual room power supply. He can also, no matter the main power supply is on by the SPST switch or warden room switch, but every individual student can operate with on or off the power supply by SPDT switch, single pole double A switch. Okay, that is the fundamental and theory, and that is the how we can design this kind of circuit. Okay, now we can see a video how to practically to better understand. We can see a video to how practically this hostel wiring circuit can design. Okay, I think video is visible to all of you. We can see the video. After complete the video, we can again discuss about this topic. Okay, so first see the video very carefully how the circuit, what we have see in the theory and design the circuit in the theory. Here practically circuit, same circuit is designed. You can clearly watch this video and understand, try to understand how this circuit will design. Okay, after this, after complete this video, we can again discuss. Okay, see the video very carefully. Here we are connecting, the first terminal of the two-way switch. Okay, you can clearly see, we can connect the first terminal of the every two-way switch. Here we just connecting the first terminal of the MD switch and the last terminal of the MD switch. If the meeting is off automatically, then please join again. Now you can see in the folder, bulb folder, there are two terminals there. You can clearly see. Okay. You can see here. One terminal of the bulb folder is connected. Now, other terminal of the every bulb folder are connected, and that is the phase. Here you can see the first. Here you can clearly see, carefully see the first three switch from the left side. The first three switch of from the left side. This one, two, and three. First three switch from the left hand side. That are two-way switch. Okay, and the switch from the last. Switch is last from the left. That is the one-way switch. Now you can see very carefully. देखो अभी मैंने क्या किया, अभी मैंने सिर्फ वार्डन का रूम में जो स्विच था उसको ऑन कर दिया, उसको मैं ऑन कर दिया तो हर रूम का लाइट जल गया। ठीक है, इससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता इंडिविजुअल 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 जो स्विच है, इंडिविजुअल जो टू वे स्विच है उसमें हम लोग ऑन किए या ऑफ किए उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता, मगर वन वे स्विच को जब अगर मैं ऑन कर दूं तो तीनों सब जितना भी रूम है, does not matter how many room in the hostel, but every room has the power supply. Okay. Now you can see. Here you can see Here we can off the one way switch. वार्डन का रूम में जो स्विच था मैंने उसको बंद कर दिया, तो क्या हुआ, टोटल पावर सप्लाई चला गया। ठीक है, टोटल पावर सप्लाई चला गया। ओके, अभी मैं क्या करूंगा, अभी तो फर्स्ट रूम में आउट ऑफ देयर आर 3 रूम्स देयर, मैंने बोला था अगर मैं एक रूम का इंडिविजुअल रूम का, मान लो एक रूम में कृष्णदेव रहता है, केडी रहता है, तो उस रूम का केडी जाके क्या करे, केडी रूम नंबर 1 में रहता है, केडी जाके उस रूम का वार्डन बंद कर दिया, वार्डन उसका रूम का पावर सप्लाई बंद कर दिया, स्टडी आवर इज ओवर, नाउ केडी इज बैक टू मार्केट एंड entering his room number 1 in the hostel, so he can on the his particular room switch, that is two-way switch। उसके बाद क्या होगा, देखो केडी रूम में घुसा तो उस रूम में क्या होगा, केडी उस रूम का पर्टिकुलर माने वार्डन बंद कर दिया, अगर केडी उस रूम का पावर सप्लाई, उसका खुद का रूम का पावर सप्लाई ऑन ऑफ कर सकता है उस रूम में। ठीक है, ठीक है, अभी आता हूं सेकेंड रूम में। अभी मान लो केडी के घुसने के बाद केडी के साथ किशन, किशन भी गया था मार्केट में केडी के साथ, वो भी आके क्या हुआ, उसका रूम में घुसा, तो वो क्या करेगा, उसका रूम में जो टू वे स्विच है किशन का रूम में, वो ऑन करेगा, तो ये ग्लो हो गया। ओके, नाउ यू कैन सी, फिर ये जो थर्ड रूम है, ठीक है, थर्ड रूम में जतिन है, रूम का थर्ड रूम में मान लो थर्ड रूम का जतिन क्या है, तो जतिन भी उसका रूम को एक्सेस करने के लिए, पावर को एक्सेस करने के लिए, ही कैन यूज हिज रूम टू वे स्विच, so that KD, Jatin and Kishan both can both can handle their own room power supply. Okay, you can clearly see. ठीक है, अभी अगर ये तो ऑन ऑफ कर सकते हैं, ये तो ऑन ऑफ जतिन, केडी और किशन खुद का रूम का, ये तीनों रूम खुद की कौन का है, जतिन का, किशन का और ओके, जतिन, किशन और केडी का, तो तीनों खुद का रूम का पावर सप्लाई ऑन ऑफ कर सकता है, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा। मगर वार्डन अगर उसको ऑन कर देगा तो क्या होगा, वार्डन अगर उसका रूम का स्विच ऑन कर देगा तो मैंने, हम लोग क्या देखा, जब वार्डन ऑन कर देगा तब ये फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि केटी बंद करना